Hi, I'm Mackenzie, nail educator at Lemoore, and today I'd like to talk to you about Light Elegance Gel Polish System P+. It's applied with the same technique as any other soak-off gel polish system you've used, including shellac, OPI gel polish, or gelish. The rounded brush offers a nice clean application around the cuticle. It doesn't shrink, and it has 6 new highly pigmented colors and 6 new 2-coat glitters are released every season. It offers strength to the nail, so even your clients with thin nails can wear it effectively for a long time. If you'd like to join us to up your gel polish game, please join me and the Lemoore team for our upcoming half-day gel polish refresher course at the link provided.